Dear students, we want to see second type of voice which name is in Marathi चालू काळातील एवीचे पीवी करताना mean a type of progressive tense, continuous tense, and that tense we want to make in passive voice. Here we take example of active voice. First example is that Virat is playing last match. Here just ing have in verb, and here also ing means here have continuous time. First rule, active to passive. Take object of AV and make subject in PV. AV च्या वाक्यातील कर्म PV मध्ये कर्ता बनवावे. So to ask question to her, what Virat is playing? What Virat is playing? Last match. Means object is last match. After depend on tense and number of object, take helping verb of sentence. वाक्याच्या काळानुसार आणि कर्माच्या वचनानुसार टू बी चं सहाय्यकारी रूप घ्यायचं. वाक्याचा काळ वर्तमान काळ आहे आणि कर्माचं वचन एक आहे. मग वर्तमान काळातले हेल्पिंग वर्ब कोणते? व्हेरी गुड. मुलं फार हुशार झाले बरं का आता. एक वचनामध्ये इज आणि अनेक वचनामध्ये आर आहे. लास्ट मॅच एक वचन आहे. मग काय घ्यावं लागेल? शाबास. फॉर ing टू टेक बीइंग. ing प्रत्ययासाठी बीइंग घ्यावं लागतं. काय? बीइंग. आफ्टर टेक थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ मेन वर्ब. या क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप घ्यायचं. प्लेचं तिसरं रूप प्ले. आफ्टर इफ देअर हॅव कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी पार्ट, take after third form of verb, and last take by and second case of subject. इथे उर्वरित भाग नाही म्हणून शेवटी बाय जोडायचा आणि कर्त्याची द्वितीय विभक्ती घ्यायची. बाय नाव असेल तर नाव. बाय विराट. एनी प्रॉब्लेम? नो प्रॉब्लेम. Second sentence, in past tense, Sachin was watching the match with friends. What was Sachin watching? The match. Means object is the match. After take helping verb. Sentence is in past, so take helping verb of past tense. क्या लेंगे? Was oblique where? He was लेंगे because of the match is singular. कर्म एक वचनी आहे म्हणून काय घ्यायचं? was. After for ing take being. Very good, very good, very good. After third form of verb, third form of verb, third form of verb. Watch का third form? Watch. After third form, take complementary part of sentence. Which is the complementary part? Phrase. Which phrase? And at last, connect by and second case. By Sachin. Any doubt? No. Any problem? No. Okay.